Let's analyze this sentence, inshallah. So it's many sentences in one sentence. So let's take them one by one. Li akhun wahidun. So the first thing I'm seeing is lam with ya mutakallim. I spot ya mutakallim here, attached damir muttasil ya mutakallim, and before that is the harf of jar li. So I just told you that when harf of jar is attached to the damir muttasila, instead of li you see the fatha on the lam. Laka, lahu, lana. What about here? Here you have to remember this is ya mutakallim. She's a princess. Wherever she comes, it forces the word before it, the letter before it, to take a kasra. It does not regard anything. That's why this is going to stay li. So this is a construction, jar majroor, harf of jar and ism majroor. Can this be my mubtada? Remember, jar majroor and zarf can never be mubtada. Shibhu jumla can never be mubtada. So this is not mubtada. So I keep walking and try to find my mubtada. I come to akhun. This is a noun. It is in rough status. Now two things it did not follow. It was not the first noun. I said mubtada is usually the first noun, and I said mubtada is usually ma'rifa. It's not even ma'rifa. So those are two things that is not following, but it is my mubtada. So because it's not behaving very, exactly as it should, we give it a new term. Because it came late, it wasn't the first noun that it should have been. So we give it a new term, mubtada mu'akhar, ta'khir, late, delayed. So mubtada that has been delayed, mubtada mu'akhar. We will see when our mubtada is a nakira word, it will be delayed. Khabar will come early. Khabar is li, shibhu jumla, jar majroor khabar. It came early. It came first. It was preceded. It was advanced. So it is called khabar muqaddam, and the mubtada was delayed, mubtada mu'akhar. But if you don't remember the terms right away, it's okay, but it would be nice if you start saying it. So li is my khabar, shibhu jumla, jar majroor. It is khabar muqaddam. It came early. Akhun is my mubtada. It was delayed. Khabar mubtada mu'akhar. Wahidun is the sifa for akhun. So it's like saying I have one brother. If you want to be very literal and bring mubtada first, then put is, then do khabar, it would say one brother is for me. But that's not how we would speak in English. So I have one brother. Let's look at the next sentence. This one is easy, inshallah. Ismuhu usamatu. Ismu is mubtada. I see the damir muttasil hu, that is mudaf ilay. Usamatu is my khabar mufrad. Usamatu, one dhamma, because male Arab names that end in dha marbuta are ghair munsarif. Now the next sentence, wa huwa, waw is harf of atf, huwa mubtada. What is the khabar? The khabar is dharf, ma'a, but it is attached to its mudaf ilay, ya mutakallim. Ya mutakallim forces whatever letter is before it to take a kasra. So it became ma'i, and he is with me. Ma'a is the zarf khabar, shibu jumla, and ya is mudaf ilay. Huna means here. Fil madinatil munawwarati, fi is harf of jar, al madinati is a majroor, al munawwarati is its sifa in Madina Munawwara. Wa is harf of atf. This is another sentence. Li ukhtun wahidatun. Li is jar wa majroor, shibhu jumla, khabar. Lam harf of jar, ya mutakallim is ism majroor. Whenever the attached pronoun, damir muttasil, attaches to a harf of jar, it plays the role of ism majroor. So it is khabar here, li. The mubtada is actually delayed. It is the word ukhtun. Wahidatun is its sifa. Mubtada is mu'akhar. Khabar is muqaddam. Li, khabar muqaddam. Ukhtun, mubtada mu'akhar. Wahidatun is the sifa. I have one sister. Ismuha Zainabu. Ismu mubtada. Ha mudaf ilay. ضمير متصل. زينب is the خبر مفرد. زينب is غير منصرف. Female Arab names that don't have a male counterpart are غير منصرف. وهي في العراق مع زوجها. واو حرف of عطف. هي is مبتدا. خبر is في العراق. جار ومجرور شبه جملة خبر. مع is ظرف. It takes a مضاف إليه. زوجي. زوجي is a مضاف because we see attached pronoun ha whenever ضمائر متصلة of Kahin family attached to a noun. زوج is a noun. They play the role of مضاف إليه. So مع زوجها is actually a compound construction. Two things are connected together. مع with زوجي مضاف مضاف إليه. زوجي with ha مضاف مضاف إليه. So زوجي is actually playing the role of مضاف إليه for مع and مضاف for ha. زوجها مهندس. Another sentence. زوج مبتدا ha مضاف إليه. ضمير متصل ha her husband. مهندس خبر مفرد. حامد عندك سيارة يا أخي. It's a question. Do you have a car, oh brother, my brother? Now, عند we learned in the chapter before, عند means with. So literally you're saying with you. عندك is with you. سيارة a car. يا أخي, oh my brother. Kaf is a ضمير متصل. I see what is it attached to? It's attached to عند, which is a ظرف. ظروف are nouns, so it's attached to an ism. When ضمير متصل is attached to an ism, it is playing the role of مضاف إليه. Answer is لا. ما عندي سيارة. Whenever your question is with the hamza of istifham, the answer has to be yes or no, نعم or لا. After you've answered that, then your sentence will come. The answer is ما عندي سيارة. The way I like to analyze it, if my sentence is a negative sentence, I try and hide the particle of negation, which is ma here. Ma is a harf. Ma is actually a harf, can be used in different ways with different meanings. One of the ways is harf nafi, negation ma. So I try and hide that, then I'm left with عندي سيارة. عندي سيارة. The word عند is a ism, it's a zarf. So this is a jumla ismiya. Whenever it's a jumla ismiya, I have to find mubtada and khabar. Can عند be my mubtada? It cannot, because zarf and jar majroor, those two things can never be mubtada. عند is a zarf, so it cannot be mubtada. So and ya is it's attached to عند. They're together. I can't break them apart. So I'm left with سيارة. That is my mubtada. And I remember when mubtada is nakira, it has to come late. Like it has to be delayed. Khabar will come early because mubtada was nakira. Normally mubtada should be ma'rifa. So sayaratun was actually my mubtada. Because it came late, I can call it mubtada mu'akhar. And what is my khabar? It's actually shibu jumla zarf, inda. And it came early, khabar is muqaddam. What about the ya? It is mudaf ilay, attached to inda. Why don't I see the fatha on dal, inda? Because ya mutakallim forces the last letter to take a kasra. So indi. Now I bring back my negative ma, negation ma. So not with me is a car, is literally what it's saying. But for more flowing translation, I do not have a car. No, I do not have a car. عندي دراجة. عندي دراجة. It's a sentence. Starts with inda. So jumla ismiya, looking for mubtada and khabar. Is inda my mubtada? It cannot be because it's a zarf. Moving on, ya is attached to inda, so they're together. So I cannot call it anything new. So darajatun is actually my mubtada. It came late, mubtada muakhar. A bicycle is, what is my khabar? My khabar is zarf inda, and ya comes with it as a mudaf ilay. A bicycle is with me, literally, but actually it's saying I have a bicycle. Hamzatu indahu sayyaratun. Hamzatu is the name Hamza. So it's a jumla that's starting with a noun Hamza. And then I'm seeing indahu sayyaratun. If for an instance, if I want to forget Hamza to explain a concept, then I'm seeing indahu sayyaratun. Hopefully that's easy now. Inda is a zarf, hu is mudaf ilayh, the damir muttasil, mudaf ilayh. Sayyaratun is mubtada that came late, mubtada muakhar. So I have a car. This is a complete sentence where sayyaratun is mubtada, inda is the zarf, shibu jumla khabar, hu mudaf ilayh. How do I bring back Hamza into the equation? I can't just ignore it. Every noun has to be accounted for. So what I'm learning here is the third type of khabar. Up till now I studied khabar mufrad, khabar shibhu jumla, and then there was another type of khabar, khabar jumla. So in a jumla, this jumla ismiya, the khabar can be a jumla in itself. What I'm seeing is Hamza was my mubtada, Hamzatu, first noun, ma'rifa noun, marfu', fitting all the correct requirements. So Hamza is my mubtada. What is my khabar? If I said inda is a zarf, so it can be khabar, so then my translation would be Hamza is with him. No, that makes no sense. That is not what the sentence is saying. Okay, maybe sayyaratun is my khabar. Then it would be Hamza is a car. Obviously, because you can understand now, this doesn't make any sense. So my khabar is actually the whole thing. Indahu sayyaratun. He has a car. Up till now, I had said that when I find my subject, my mubtada, I should put is right after it. If I try putting a is here, Hamza is, he has a car. See, that makes no sense. So you are learning when your khabar is a jumla ismiya, indahu sayyaratun is the khabar, it's a whole jumla. When your khabar is a jumla ismiya, you don't put an is after the mubtada, rather you put a comma. Hamza, comma, he has a car. A car is with him. He has a car. That is my khabar, the whole sentence. So you can put a line under indahu sayyaratun to know that whole thing is the khabar. Hamzatu indahu sayyaratun.